7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hello friends, it's Raj. This is the unboxing of Eveready LED Batten which I bought from Amazon India. It's a pack of 4. The seller has carefully packed it. So this is one piece. Here are some specs, 20 watts. So I got it at a huge discount compared to the MRP written on it. So here are the installation instructions. It's written unbreakable and fire retardant. So compared to the Tubelight, the LED Batten has more light available on the working plane. Also, it needs less power and has about 25,000 hours life. So it is better to switch to LED Batten. So here are the wall mount, screw and wall plug, 2 sets of each. And here is the batten. So the warranty will get void if you remove the sticker. It has got 1 year warranty. So fixing the LED batten on the wall is very easy. After that, connect the leads to the power supply. I am going to replace this old tube light. And here is the brightness comparison. So that was the unboxing of Eveready LED Batten. You can find the product link in the video description. Hope the video was useful. Peace.